What up guys, good morning. This is currently the next day. I'm on my way to the Home Depot to get some more filler. Let's go. Oh my god guys, see this? I hope this will be enough. And we are back. So let's see. I think it's okay actually. A little bit of little crack here, but I think it's gonna be okay. So now it's just back to work and finish the whole thing.
So here I'm mixing the cement powder with some water, and you want to add a little bit of water at a time so it won't be too much. So as you can see, I'm splashing a little bit of water where I want to put the cement. The reason I do that is because it is binding better when it's wet. And I had a lot of dust, so I had to clean it. It's very important, or else it won't bind again. So remove all the dust, splash a little bit with a little bit of water, and you should be good to go. And it should bind very well. But I have to say I used a lot of hours that day, even if it doesn't look that way, but yeah, it did take a long time.
So finally I'm done for today. So I did all the way. I can go right here. So I actually think it's a pretty decent job for a man who never did this before. And I also did those up there and over here. There still are some minor details I have to do, but I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow because I'm pretty tired. I have been here almost 6 hours, so see you tomorrow.